Hello and welcome to today's quick guide. If you're betting with Sportybet in this year and need to locate your account ID for account management or support queries, I'll show you how to find it in just a few steps. So first you need to open Sportybet app or visit the website, which I'm on right now in the browser. Sign in using your registered phone number and password. If you've forgotten your details, you can reset your password and of course follow the prompts. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet to avoid login issues, as network glitches can cause delays, as bettingafrica.ng says. I once had to restart my router to get in smoothly. Once logged in, go to your profile. On the app, tap the Me or profile icon at the bottom right. On the website, click your username or profile icon in the top right corner. Your Sportybet user ID, a unique number tied to your account, should be displayed in the My Account section or under your profile details, according to the betguide.ng. If it's not visible, check the account details or personal information tab. And that's how you find it, guys. Pretty easy and straightforward. Just log in, check your profile, use it for support, and if you need troubleshooting, just contact them at their phone number, for example, or email. So that's it, guys. Found yours, share your tips below, and of course like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.